Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add a personal dictionary in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, or if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you're interested on checking out our beginner's guide on different Google software such as Google Sheets, Google Docs, and many more, we have already uploaded that video in our YouTube channel. And we also have separate tutorial videos for each of the features and functions in which I will discuss to you all of those step by step and more detailed. So if you're interested in watching those tutorials, please be sure to check out our YouTube channel as we have a dedicated playlist for those. Now before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure the browser you're using is completely up to date. Either you are using Mac OS or even if you're using Windows like me, please be sure that those softwares that are you're using is completely up to date, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors if we do that. Now let us get started to the tutorial itself. As you can see right here, I have a Google Slides file. We have text formatting here, which we already made a tutorial on how to do those, and right here I have a word in my header wherein it says this word, and now as you can see it is currently marked as a misspelling, and we even have a suggestion to change it to the correct word. Now let's assume that this is an actual word and we do not want it to be labeled as a misspelling. Then what should we do? What can we do about that is either to just disregard this red marking right over here and the suggestion, or we can actually add a personal dictionary in which we can add words that are unfamiliar so that Google Slides won't detect it as a misspelling. And to do that is actually quite simple. All you have to do is to head over to the upper panel of our screen, and on our left side you can see the search the menus option, in which you can also access by pressing Alt plus / on your keyboard like so. And now as you can see, we are now in the search the menus icon. Now all you have to do is to type in the word personal, and now as you can see, the first thing that pops up is the personal dictionary. Click on the personal dictionary once, and as you can see, we can add a new word. Now I've actually used this already on a previous Google Docs tutorial, so if you are interested in watching that, we have that video uploaded on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out. Now from here we can add a word, and right here what we need to add is the exact word that we have typed in our Google Slides that is marked as a misspelling. So all I have to do is to add in this word and click on add. And now as you can see, if I press OK, it will not be marked as a misspelling. It will remove the suggestion because now Google Slides detects this word as an actual word because it is in our personal dictionary. As simple as that. We can add as many words as we want in our personal dictionary that can also be linked on other Google softwares such as Google Docs and Google Sheets. Now if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.